Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, January 13th, 2014, and mercifully, the U.S. stock market is closed. A while ago, I had a friend who needed a sound file for a piece of trading software, and the sound file was to alert him when a market position was taken or exited. And jokingly, I sent him a file I had of the funeral march. Anyway, today, I could have been listening to the funeral march for much of the day. The day started out horrible, then it got pretty good, and then it got really horrible toward the end. Tough day trading. The day started out with we got on the wrong side of an earnings report in Lululemon Athletica, Lulu, and we dropped about $8,000 the first 15 minutes of the day. That's tough to overcome, but I thought we were going to overcome it. At one point, our open trade equity, like maybe an hour and a half into the day, we were up like $22,000 positive. So I thought, well, we'll take care of this Lulu trade and maybe make a little money in addition to it. But then everything fell apart. I mean, everything fell apart. I will show you some of the charts. Pretty grim. Dow lost 179 points today. That's a big down day. I'm not worried about that. The market isn't going to crash, but and it might even come back even stronger now. But the Dow was down 179 points. We got into some trades. The Dow started out positive. We got into some trades, and then those really went bad. Some trades that were just terrific went bad. I mean, it was a tough day. Anyway, let me show you the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here. Hey, before I get into the Dow, I didn't tell you, we closed out negative $6,800 in our closed out trades today, and we are carrying negative $7,831 into tomorrow. I could live with the negative 6,000 that we closed out, but I hate going into tomorrow with nearly negative $800,000. That might get better, but it could get a lot worse. It usually gets worse. Anyway, this is the Dow, and you can see, it definitely broke out this nice flat pattern, which I was anticipating would resolve itself with an up move. It did not. It really crashed today, and 179 point losses is pretty big for the Dow. So it was a bad day in most of the markets. I'll show you the source of our frustration, some of our frustration today. This is just one of the markets that was enough to cause me to tear out my hair. This is BITA, which is Bit Auto Holdings Incorporated, I believe, and this market, we had bought it on Friday, toward the end of the day, end of the trading day, and then it really took off today. And just to show you how much it took off, I posted this on the website, and this is what I posted on the website and StockTwits and Twitter and everything else. This was when BITA was just exploding, and it was way up here, and that thing was up positive $4,000. At that point, this is 2.5 hours into the market day, it looked like it was going to the moon. Unfortunately, it did not go to the moon, and this is what happened. Comes all the way down here, and when we got out of it down here, we lost $2,000. So we're seeing a $6,000 swing there in BITA. Hey, that hurts. That really hurts, and it's almost psychologically destabling for a trader to go through this. This is one reason why trading is very tough. I won't leave you on something that's totally negative. You know, we would have had a much worse day today had we not had some fairly decent trades. And those at least took a little of the sting out of what happened today. And this was one of the good trades. This was in INSY, that is Insys Therapeutics. And we had bought this on Thursday. It had kept going on Friday so strong we stayed in with it. And at first it looked like it was a good thing that we had stayed into because it really took off. I don't know what it was up here. I think it was well over $8,000 up here. Anyway, it did come back. We did get out. We made $5,000 in INSY, but again, even that was a little something of a disappointment. Anyway, that's the way it went. Trading is not easy. Mama said there would be days like this. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Tuesday.